Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we want to know about the 4 most dangerous dog breeds in the whole world. Let's go to see. Number 4. Doberman Pinscher. Doberman are often used as a guard dogs. They are loyal and fearless. However, they can also be quiet. The owner of Doberman should ensure that their dog receives training and they can control them because they are so dangerous. Dobermans have been involved in several serious attacks on humans. Number 3. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and trainable, which makes them a popular choice for the police and military works. However, if the German had a good trainer, you can choose them for a good friends. It's important for owners to establish themselves as the pack leader and provide their dog with proper training. Number 2. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are known for their strength, loyalty, and protective nature. However, they can also be quiet. They are often used as a guard dogs due to their size and power. Which can make them a danger to strangers if they are not properly socialized. For more information, you can see my description. Rottweilers have been involved in several serious attacks on humans. Owners take responsibility for their behavior. And number 1, Pit Bull. The Pit Bull is a breed that often comes to mind when talking about dangerous dogs. They can be great pets when properly trained and socialized. However, pit bulls have been involved in a significant number of attacks on humans and other animals. It's important to note that not all pit bulls are dangerous, and many can be loving and loyal pets. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe my channel.